Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Haley and I'm so happy you're stopping by. Today we are starting episode 1 of my spring cleaning for 2025. We are starting here in the dining room. I'm going to be working every week getting my house spring cleaned room by room. It's more manageable that way. I can get more done. Sometimes people will do it by like doing all of the blinds in their house and then moving on to cleaning the baseboards or doing the light fixtures. But for me, I like to just do it room by room, and then I know that room is completely done. So we're starting out today in the dining room. I cleared off a few things that were cluttered, decorations on the table, and I'm going to start out by wiping down just the outside of these chairs. I'm not going to clean the seat cushions today. If I had had these longer than just a couple of weeks, I would have taken the time to like hand wash them, but I haven't had them very long, so I don't need to do that today. Definitely, this will be probably like an every 6 months or so thing that I'll have to do is clean those cushions. But I wanted to wipe down the chairs pretty good just because with eating with kids, they get messy, so I wanted to wipe those down. And then I never really wiped down the bottom of my table very good when we had cleaned it and refinished it, so I wanted to get that done. But we are going to give this room a really good deep clean. It feels so good to get into these spaces and just get them really cleaned, and I'm excited to go throughout the rest of my house, get it cleaned and organized, decluttered, all of the stuff. So I hope you're ready for some good motivation and be looking forward to a lot of spring cleaning coming your way this month. I'm hoping to be getting multiple videos out a week, and they probably will be spring cleaning videos just because I have so many rooms that I need to get done, and I really would like to get it done in the month of April. So be looking forward to that. But let's go ahead and get these chairs all cleaned and the table, and then we're going to move it all out of the way so we can get to some more deep cleaning.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? You only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? Whoa.
Once I got the table wiped down, I wanted to go ahead and go in this drawer and clean it and just kind of figure out what was in here. I really need to get some things to organize it, but I didn't know what I needed. So I wanted to pull everything out, kind of look at what I had. This is all of like Waverly's Crafts. It has Play-Doh. It has like the little like learning activity books that she has. It has her little jewelry bracelet maker, has makeup, like pretend like well, I guess kid play makeup, whatever. Coloring books, crayons, markers, pens, glue, all of the like artsy, crafty things. And I like to have it here so that way we really can't just like get it all the time. And if she happens to like get into the drawer, I can see and everything like that. So I'm debating on if I want to move like our games and put them into this closet and then, or I guess drawer, and then in our like front entry closet put the more crafts there, and get something that kind of can roll in there. So I'm trying to decide exactly what I want to do, but I just wanted to kind of get a little idea of what we have because we have accumulated quite a bit, and I knew some of it I didn't need to have in there anymore. So I wanted to first go through there. The top two drawers are just some odd and end kind of like random, like not quite a junk drawer, but kind of like a junk drawer, where you just have like your odd and end things. So I just left those be for now because pretty much everything in there was gonna stay. So I'm just quickly going through this. It's not super organized, but you'll see kind of I just have to stack everything on top because I there really isn't a better way to put it. So that's why I'm thinking I might end up getting something for our front entry like closet. So we'll see exactly how that goes. But for now, it was nice that I at least had an area and I could see what we have. And now I know, and it's actually a lot easier to get into the stuff since I kind of organized it the way I did. So all of this is stuff I'm getting rid of. This I need to throw in the wash. It needs clean. And then it probably doesn't look like it's organized, but we have like Play-Doh here. We have all of her coloring books, activity books, all of that. And then I need to get a different organizer for this, but this is like pens, some of her dry erase markers, and then something for her like little cupcakes. We have all of her crayons. These little like, I don't even know what they're called. They're like little markers though. Stuff that she can paint. We have her beads, makeup, all that kind of stuff. So it's all just organized in here now. I got that drawer all clean, and then I moved on into wiping down the bottom half of the table, and I just used my Jaws not all purpose, hardwood cleaner for that for the chairs and the table. And then I'm moving on into this light fixture, just wiping it down, getting all the dust off, all of that. Once we get done with the light, we're going to move on into the walls. I really like to just give the walls a really good thorough clean at least once a year. I feel like it ends up happening twice a year, but for sure once a year I like to get them really good and clean. I really need to get one of those wall scrubbers because that would help me out a lot. So I'm probably going to be getting one of those soon, hopefully. And then along with doing the walls, I like to just tackle the baseboards with it. And I do like to try to do things from top to bottom. But like, for example, the table, I had to move it out of the way so that way dust wasn't going on this light. So that's kind of my plan for how I spring clean. And I really just like to clean every surface when I'm spring cleaning, just so I get the whole area really thoroughly cleaned. I know some people only focused on like the walls and the baseboards, things that they aren't doing all the time, but for me, I like to just do it all at once, make sure I'm getting it really nice and cleaned. So that's what I'm going ahead and doing now. And I think I was just using a wet washcloth. I think I had maybe added some like soapy water to it. I can't remember exactly what I did, but I think that's what I did. I just did some warm soapy water and was washing the walls. And nothing too crazy. The walls weren't too bad. Definitely you can see like where the Waverly can like reach, because from there down the walls do get a little bit more dirty. But we'll clean the walls, get the baseboards done, and then we're going to move on into the window area. I needed to clean like the trim along the windows, and then we're going to wipe down the blinds, get those all dusted and cleaned. Occasionally I will take these like off the like hanger part of the blinds, and you can put them in the bathtub and soak them, but I keep up on my blinds enough that it's not too bad. But if they get really bad, I like to do that. But then I'll just spray them down, get them clean. The two windows on this side don't open or anything, so I didn't have to worry about cleaning that area of the windows on the two, but I did go ahead and clean that middle section of the window, and I just lifted it up and cleaned the track. This window we don't open up that often, and so it really doesn't get too bad, but I do want to clean it up, make sure it was nice and cleaned, so that way here in the spring, if we do want to open it, it's nice and clean. So I'm just finishing wiping down these windows. I just had to take down our Valentine's Day window stickers, and I told Waverly we could go find some spring ones. So we need to go to Hobby Lobby. I usually can find them, sometimes Walmart and the dollar store. So we need to go looking to find those because she loves to have them, and then she can decorate the window and she'll like just want to sit and play with them for a while. So I need to get her some new ones, but the Valentine's ones were getting old and just gross. So they're not very expensive, so we'll just repurchase some new ones next year for Valentine's Day and everything. But going ahead and cleaning this window tracking, and then I quickly wiped down this chair just because I was using it to clean, and then I put down the curtains just that way they were open and you could see in, but the blinds were down. Finished cleaning this wall area, and then I did want to go ahead and clean my shelves, just taking everything out shelf by shelf, wiping it down, getting it cleaned. I decided not to do it all at once just because I wanted to be able to keep it together for the most part, and I just did it from top to bottom, and that worked great. So that's how I did that. And then here in just a minute we are going to sweep the floors, and then usually with spring cleaning I like to do a good hand mop just to get things really cleaned. And especially like in our house here, we don't have a ton of like big areas that we have to like mop. So it works out really nice that I can just hand mop and really get this spaces clean. I need to get a good grout cleaner. I really don't clean my grout ever. And so, because I really haven't had grout, we've almost lived here well, it'll be a year in July. So, and I haven't cleaned the grout yet, which is probably not good. I'm just trying to decide if I want to use like my steam shot to do that or if I want to get like a grout cleaner. But I do need to do that. That's on my list to do when I'm spring cleaning, just so we can keep up on it. But I like to hand mop. That's where I was going with that. So I'll just mop it by hand, and I just used my hardwood cleaner to do that, just so that way it can get nice and clean. And it worked out really good. And I feel like this space just feels so much cleaner now, and I'm excited to move on into other rooms and get them really nice and clean. And just get my house ready for the spring and warm weather. And I'm hoping I can get it mostly done here in April. We'll see. I feel like it's already almost the middle of April and I haven't really got a lot done, but part of it was because I was on a cruise for the first week of April. So it's kind of just been a little chaotic, but that's okay. We'll get it done. I hope I can motivate you to get some things done around your house, whether it's spring cleaning, cleaning in general, or just give you motivation in general. But we are going to finish up the last little bit of cleaning here on the floors, and then we'll kind of put the room back together, put the chairs back on, put the covers on, all of that. But thank you guys all so much for being here and watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give the video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, you guys.